Okay, my dear friends, I had this rice thing here. It's expired, so I said let me just dump it in here along with what I'm making to make it, not have to waste. I don't know if you can see the date on here, but maybe like this. Yeah, it does expire really soon, so I'm gonna put the other one and stir it up, and I'll be back. My dear friends. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. The smell of this thing here. I wish you could see it really clear. I wish you could smell it, my friends. This is a mixture of a whole bunch of different rices and stuff. Some was expired, some weren't. But the point is, see? All I did is put a little butter, some water. Oh man, I smell the ginger coming. I smell the, what is that, turmeric? Oh yes. It's ready now, my friends. Look at that. Oh. Yes, I'll be back. Okay, my dear friends. Put the frozen ground beef, vegan ground beef thing in there. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my lord. I wish, oh man, I could just eat this like this with some bread or something. It's really good. But then now, it's time to put in drink once the heat gets give it some time. What is this? Okay. Sure, it's fine. I don't like this heat. So I'm gonna let this heat get to it, and it should produce a little water. That way I don't need to put any sausage. Give it a few minutes. I'll be back. Okay, my friends. So now I'm adding the last of this because I don't have any more gyros. And I don't want it to waste. So I'm adding the last of this into, oh man, you should smell this. Oh man, oh my goodness. You guys could only be here. Anyhow, I'm mixing it all up. Oh man, you should smell this. Oh my goodness. So friends, I cannot wait until this is done so I can eat. There you go. You don't waste here, my friends. Do you know why? Because we're poor. I'll be back. Okay, my dear friends, here we are. I've preset the cucumber that wifey cut up for me, and oh man, this rice. Oh, I wish you guys were here. If you could smell it, the sesame sauce thing that I preliminarily put in there and things like that. Oh, okay, it doesn't get better than this, my friends. Just put a little bit in there. Honey, would you be a dear and pass me the spoon, please, for the kale? I would appreciate it so much. I'll just use this one here, and I'll just scrape this off here. Oh my friends, I kid you not, I haven't smelled a smell like this since I think I was a kid back in Guyana, my country. I don't know who made it, but it sure smells good. So now, let me bring the plate up. I'm going to, oh look at this my friends, oh Lord. Put this here. The nice little peppers and oh man. I'm gonna eat a lot of this today. Oh man, my friends. Oh Lord, my friends. And I don't know if you guys saw this. I'm addicted to hot sauces and stuff. So yeah, here we go. Mainly want this on here because I didn't put any salt or anything else. It's all natural. Oh man, Still, I cannot wait. My dear kind friends. Oh my goodness, just look at this. Oh man. If you could only smell it, the sesame seed smell with this thing, and then like the kale already has a garden fruit. Oh man, I want to try this kale. Oh my gosh. It is so crunchy. And then this fake meat tastes like real meat. Oh man. Oh, I cannot believe how good this thing tastes. This rice, you'll never find a rice like this in your lives, my friend. This wasn't planned. I just put it all together. The turmeric, the cumin, the ginger, the wild rice, the other one I forgot what flavor it was, but it's in there. It's all mixed up. Oh man, it's not salty, it's not like, it's just perfect. It's not too much, it's not too little. Now this here, I'm not into sweet yams too much, but you know, it's good for you, so I'll eat it. You see, when you have the hot with the sweet, now I can tolerate the yam. By itself, I couldn't eat it. Even with butter, I don't like it too much. But it's really good, my friends. Mix it with a little bit of this, put a pepper in there. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I hope you guys believe me. This is how I eat every day. I have no reason to lie. Forget McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, all of that. We're trying to show people that even on the truck, imagine if you're in your house. If I could do this on the truck, on the road, I barely go home, then you could do this in your house. This doesn't cost me anything, barely. It's healthy food, it's fresh food. You make it yourself, you know it's clean, you know where it came from. Please subscribe, please share, and help get this message out to people. Ideas of cheap recipes that they can eat, make for the kids, and stretch your money a little bit, you know. And again, this has to do with your health. This is healthy food. Why not? Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I love this pepper too. Thank you, my friends. Oh my gosh.